Well, hello there, it's Danny, and I just got the Woburn III in, and I'm really excited about it. This is supposed to have like a re-engineered sound system, so this could be like the Emberton on steroids, so that's kind of why I'm excited about it. But anyways, let's give her a little open, shall we? With my Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Established 1962, like all their stuff. Comes with some legal documents and a different kind of power cord with a little bit of different texture. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh wow. It's got like a much smaller like little brass line at the bottom. The tweed finish in the front's really nice. And they brought back the mechanical switch. They listened to us. They listened to our comments and they brought it back. Because like everyone was talking about how much they love the mechanical switch. So, okay, that's freaking cool. And it's got like a toggle button for fast forward and play. Oh, yeah. They definitely improved the controls here. It feels about the same weight. It's pretty heavy. Okay, on the back, it's got RCA for your phono players for like records and stuff, and HDMI ARC. So you could like hook this up to your TV. So that's like super exciting. I don't think that's on the other 3 series that'll line up. And then of course you have your aux in. But the real question is, how does it actually sound? So we're gonna check it out. Oh my God, it sounds amazing. Woo! It's loud. Okay, well, I'm just going to go say it. It sounds awesome. And it's got some really cool features on it that I'm going to have to dive into more. Like it's got an equalizer for the bass and the treble, but it also has like a placement compensation mode. So like you can tell it whether you're placed next to a corner or you're flush against like some other piece of furniture, or if it's just freestanding. Yeah, this thing sounds significantly better than the Woburn II already. I can already tell you this thing sounds a lot better. Like the sound is tighter. I don't know if that makes sense, like for something to be tighter, but like it's not as muddy as like the Woburn II sounds to me, like right off the bat. And that's just with this bad stock music that I have to play for us because it's free. It's almost like they combined some of the sound quality of the Woburn I and like kept the good features of the Woburn II. And it's got that little toggle switch on it. I'm really excited for this one, and then I'm also excited for like the Stanmore and the Acton 3 as well. If you are curious about this, I'm going to be making another video where I'm going to compare this to Woburn II and the Woburn I just to see how it stands up. So that'll be really exciting and you should look forward to it. Also, Prime Day is coming up on July 12th and 13th, and I suspect there's going to be a sale on all the 2 series Marshall speakers, like the Woburn II, Stanmore, Acton, the Tufton. So I might keep your eye out for that. It's just better, like right off the bat. They've definitely upped the sound quality. I don't know what they did, but it got better. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. This was just my quick first impression of the speaker. So I will see you later. Bye.